think I just dropped out of YouTube heaven, y'all.
No, he's not just anyone. That's my asshole. That's Terry Warfield.
What's up, Terry Warfield, man? You already know, your favorite musclehead tech reviewing dude on YouTube. You already know the drill. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, make sure you drop a hashtag up in here in the comments so I know you up in the comments. So I came to talk about today the Sony a6300 and if I think in 2018 it's worth your money. So let me do a little bit of YouTube magic real quick, just some YouTube magic. Let me see if this works or not. It worked. Here is my old camera, Old Faithful, that I've been using over the years, man. An old trusty Sony a77. This thing has made me a ton of money, has lasted through the worst of conditions, and is still kicking. So if you guys didn't see where I got rid of my MacBook, even though I said I wasn't going to, and I replaced it for iMac, the video is either up there or up there. You can go watch that. But it was trashed, and this Sony a77 is trashed too, even though it still works. So the weather sealing is coming off, it's cracked and stuff, it scratches everywhere. Let me show you this. When I zoom in, it doesn't actually zoom in. I gotta pull it out. Y'all nasty because I'm talking about the camera lens. But it'll zoom back out. But if I want to zoom in, I gotta rotate the zoom ring and then pull the lens out. So that's how bad this thing is. But I'm probably gonna keep it because I know on the street I'm only gonna get like $250 for it. And like I said, it's still working. The image quality is still good out of it. So let's keep it as a backup camera. I replaced it with a Sony a6300. And I've been putting this camera through its paces and I'm really loving it so far. I just posted 2 new videos that I did with this camera with the kit lens. So take a second after this video and watch those 2 videos. But here's a little snippet of both of those videos I just put up.
Person that I've ever known.
Now, as you can see, this camera is really capable in the right hand. So let's talk about what I paid for it. Now, I bought the camera brand new. You could get them on the used market for like $650, $700. Typically, they come with one of the kit lenses, but I decided that if I'm gonna buy something used and it only cost me an extra $150 to buy new, I'm gonna buy new. I'm gonna get the warranty. I'm gonna get everything else that come with it. So I bought the camera new. I haven't invested in any glass or anything as of yet. The kit lens has actually been quite remarkable so far, considering that it comes with the camera and the minimum aperture is 3.5. It's still been a great little lens, considering the competition out there. Thought about the Panasonics, the G7, the G85. I thought about the Fujis. I thought about maybe buying like an old Sony A7 series camera, but for my purposes, especially because I'm not really into photography like that, I'm more video than anything, this thing checked all the boxes that I wanted it to do in a very, very small form factor. Now, I will say this, man. Coming from this, any larger size DSLR, you kind of feel like it's serious business. You know, when people look at you, they look, oh, like, oh shit, that's the photographer. He know what he doing. You know, with this smaller camera, I had to learn to trust it because it's so small and it's like, man, can this thing really produce? And I'm here to tell you that it does. So my favorite few things about the camera, obviously the 4K video is awesome. The 120 frames per second, 100 bit is awesome. Mic input, it's got zebras, it's got focus peaking, it's got Wi-Fi connectivity. Like, you're getting all this stuff sub $1,000. And the image quality can rival that of more expensive cameras. So I'm really enjoying this camera so far, especially in this small little lightweight package that's easily mounted on a gimbal, easy to just pull out a bag and, you know, not have to worry about lugging around this huge kit for under $1,000. So don't get me wrong, there are some things I hate about it. The first thing is the battery life. I hate the battery life. You literally have to take a minimum of 4 extra batteries if you're out going to do a serious job or paid work, because the batteries do not last long. And I understand why. They gotta be little, they gotta be compact, but still, the batteries suck, man. They suck. Number 2 thing that I hate most about the camera is the LCD is not articulating. My old A77 can flip out, boom, do cartwheels and backflips and do all of this. It's sad that the 6000 series cameras don't have articulating screens. The third thing I hate most about it is the freaking overheat. I've only run into 1 or 2 situations where it actually overheated. Let's be fair. And those 2 situations, it was at least 85 or 90 degrees outside. But knowing that, it's an Achilles heel because you can't really trust if you're gonna be shooting and your camera's gonna overheat. So that's one thing you guys need to consider. But fortunately, I only shoot, you know, in small clips. I'm not filming for extended amount of times, and I'm usually not filming in 90-degree weather, but it is something that you need to be mindful of. With that being said, I don't think, again, you can still beat it even with its flaws. You get S-Log 2, S-Log 3 profiles, you get Cine profiles, you get very high bitrate videos in a package that is smaller than most cameras out there. Now, I really wanted an A7 III. Let's just be honest. I really wanted an A7 III, but this is how much money they want for it. They want all the money in my bank account. They want my wife, they want my kids, they want my left leg, a bottom portion of my right leg, and a pack of sausages, and I can't afford none of that stuff. So this is the best compromise for me, under $1,000. Even though the a6300 offers in-body stabilization and a few other features that the 6300 doesn't have, A, you're gonna pay a premium for the 6500 or the 6700 that's on the horizon. B, the 6300 still offers just about what everybody needs. Best autofocus system on the planet. Small, lightweight, powerful, easily mounted on a gimbal. And even though you don't have, you know, audio output, you still get little gauges on the display to let you know at least that you're getting quality audio. So I think in 2018, if you're in the market for a new camera, sub $1,000. Now, sans lenses, we're not talking about lenses, even though E-mount lenses are expensive as hell from Sony, even though there's third-party offering. For the money, you can't really ask for more. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you drop a like or dislike. Also, let me know in the comments if you think the Sony a6300 is worth buying in 2018. Now, don't go dogging me out. Don't go cussing me out, because I know y'all like to be dogging me and stuff in the comments. It's a camera, y'all. It's no need for you to be talking about my race or anything like that. But let me know what you think. Healthy conversation is always good conversation, and I'm curious to know what you think. Make sure you hit the little notification bell. I hope to see you back for the next video. Again, make sure you check out those 2 last a6300 videos I just posted. Peace.